A lot of people will appreciate someone who smells good. However, most perfumes out there contain alcohol. For some people, perfumes that contain alcohol can cause irritation, which makes it unpleasant for them to wear perfume. These irritations can be skin rashes or uncontrollable sneezing. However, it is entirely possible to be able to have a fragrance that does not have alcohol. That is where oil-based perfumes come in. Oil-based perfumes can be purely made from essential oils. It has recently gained popularity because it does not have the unwanted side effects of fragrances that contain alcohol. Essential oils also take the health benefit of their origin. They are as organic as one can get. This makes them a better alternative than alcohol. Oil-based perfume can sometimes be more expensive than an alcohol-based fragrance. However, you can actually make your own perfume with essential oils. With the power of DIY, you will be able to save a ton and smell unique while doing so. Also, by making your own perfume, you can customize it based on your preference. That said, here are 8 easy steps on how to make perfume with essential oils without alcohol. Ingredients that you will need: 3 tablespoons of solvent, 10 drops of top notes essential oil, 10 drops of base note essential oil, 5 drops of middle note essential oil, 15 milliliters of jojoba or coconut oil. Materials to be used: ceramic pot, dropper, stir, spray bottle or a rollerball jar. Step-by-step instructions. 1. Gather all your materials. For smooth and seamless work, prepare all the listed ingredients and materials beforehand. All these can be sourced in your local craft store. However, if these are not available, you can always order online. Still, if that option is not available, or if you think the prices are too high, you can have to option to make your own essential oil. You can follow these steps to make it from scratch. Choose an herb, fruit, or flower such as mint, basil, or orange. Release the fragrance by pounding your choice of herb, fruit, or flower. Combine the pounded item with coconut oil. Store away from the sun for 24 hours. Separate the liquid by straining it. Repeat steps 1 and 2 and mix it with the juice from step 5. Let it sit for another 12 hours. You now have the essential oil that you can use in making perfume. 2. Choose your oils. There are so many essential oils out there, and the numbers can be confusing. To help you with that, we have categorized them into 4 groups according to their scents. They're as follows. Floral scents: if you like smelling like fresh flowers, then floral scents are for you. You can achieve this scent by mixing lavender, bergamot, and lilac oils, or by merely using one strong smell such as rose oil. Citrus scent: the citrus scents are perfect for those who want an increase in energy. To achieve this scent, you can use lemon and ginger, orange and cardamom, and lime. However, always keep in mind that these are strong scents. Always take a sniff after a few drops to avoid adding too much. Remember that adding is so much easier deducting in liquid formulas. Herbal scent: for a calming effect, herbal scents are the best. Mint, rosemary, bergamot, and sage are some of the well-known ones. They also have other health benefits, such as soothing skin irritation and managing nausea. Warm scent: if you like a mix of gentle and robust scents, then warm essential oils are best for you. You can use ginger tuberose, cedarwood, patchouli, and neroli. 3. Choose your blend. What a good perfume needs are a well-blended top, base, and middle note. Now that you know which type of scent you would prefer to achieve, you now decide on what your top, base, and a middle note will be. Here's a list of suggested notes. Top notes: orange, grapefruit, lemon. Base notes: chamomile, vanilla, mint. Middle note: lavender, palmarosa, geranium. 4. Combine. Combine 3 tablespoons of solvent and 15 milliliters jojoba oil or coconut oil in a ceramic pot. 5. Add in essential oils. Using a dropper, add 10 drops of top notes, 10 drops of base notes, and 5 drops of the middle note of your choice. 6. Mix thoroughly. Mix the liquid gradually using the stirrer. 7. Transfer to your container of choice. You can use a spray bottle or a rollerball jar. A spray bottle is better if you prefer even distribution of the perfume. On the other hand, a rollerball jar is better if you prefer to apply the perfume in specific areas such as your neck and wrist. 8. Leave unopened for 10 to 12 hours. For the perfume to set, leave it unopened for 10 to 12 hours. Make sure to store it at room temperature and away from direct sunlight. Not doing so can cause your perfume to spoil or smell differently. Tips and tricks. You can adjust the scent of your perfume by adding more of the oil that you prefer to make it stand out. Avoid using a metallic stirrer as it can affect the scent that you are making due to chemical reactions. You have to use a wood or glass stirrer instead. Conclusion. Going organic and using what nature has to offer is so much better. By using essential oils instead of alcohol, you can avoid unwanted side effects. Also, by making it at home, you can also calibrate it based on your preference. That way, no other person will smell like you. Doing this also helps you save because perfumes can retail at a high price. You will also enjoy the process of making it. With the steps stated above, you can easily make your perfume without alcohol. All the things you need and ingredients are so accessible. Let us know in the comments how your perfume making went and share your mix of essential oils used to make your scent. FAQs. What is alcohol-free perfume? An alcohol-free perfume is made without the use of any alcohol in the mix. A most common alternative is an essential oil blend that helps provide a natural fragrance to the perfume. Since there is no alcohol, there is no risk of evaporation, making alcohol-free options suitable for making DIY homemade perfumes and fragrances. Another thing is they usually contain organic and natural ingredients as opposed to perfumes with alcohol in them. You can also find them to be cheaper than the branded options you'd find in the beauty sections online or at the store. What is the best natural perfume? When it comes to the best option for a natural perfume, you want to choose something that describes you. Most people don't know this, but there is a lot you can do when making the unique scented blend for a body spray. I'd usually go for a fruity, flowery scent, so you can find lavender, vanilla, rose, cedarwood, and jasmine as part of my ingredient mix. There are many other natural perfume options you can choose from, but remember it has to be something you like. What is the alcohol used in perfume? Denatured alcohol or ethanol is the most common alcohol used in making perfume, and many artificial fragrances available in the market. Although there are other alternatives such as methanol and isopropyl alcohol, they are not a good option for making perfumes for the skin. They could work in a fabric or room spray, but denatured alcohol is best for the skin. It absorbs quickly into the skin layers and is most suitable for use in essential oil fragrance blends. What can I use instead of perfume? There are many alternatives to traditional perfume. If you are interested in a natural scented flavor, you may want to consider fruit and flower blended options. This includes a homemade fruit and essential oil blend. This could consist of lavender, citrus, lavender, and any other floral option that catches your fancy. When you come to think of it, you can use a lot of things instead of perfume. These include body sprays, deodorants, hair mists, shower gels, and good old body lotion. When picking the best alternative, you want to ensure to go for organic options that wouldn't cause irritations on your skin. What is the safest perfume? You'd most likely find countless perfume options in the market, and finding the safest of the lot could be difficult. But when it comes to the safest perfumes, what sets them apart is the ingredients in the mix. A fruit, floral, blend, or anything with a natural ingredient that you are not allergic to may seem like the right option. If you need suggestions on some of the safest perfumes you can use, you can check the list on the next slide. Skylar. Fleur. Pour le Monde. By Rosie Jane. La Vanilla. Providence Perfume. One Seed. Maddie. Fog by Henry Rose. Kai Perfume Oil. Heretic Dirty Jasmine. Red Santal by Abel. Island Vanilla Spray by Pacifica. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.